Okay, so today we are going to be looking at the brand new Rift event in Prodigy called the Golden Rift. So as you can see, there is 20 days left on this Rift on the right side here, and it looks similar to the Fire Rift, except it is golden. So it's a golden color instead of an orange one, and this is just super cool. We have some exciting things to look at, very exciting things to look at in this Rift. Some lots of previously unobtainable rewards available here on the Lucky Loot, so this is going to be awesome. I've already done one of the dragon battles in it, so in this video we're going to be doing the other ones. This one is not like any of the other rifts we've ever seen. You also may notice that there is a new gnome over here, a new gnome merchant called Marble. Very interesting. So Marble runs the Rift Cycle shop, which is currently on the Shadow Rift and almost done with that. And we're almost done with that first Rift cycle that has been going on for the past almost 60 days now. So we're almost done with that. Sad to see the Aqua Scale set go from there, but I'm sure we'll have another one coming up soon that'll be super cool as well. But in this video we are checking out the new Golden Rift. So let's go into it and see what we are looking at. Yeah, this is unlike any other Rift event we have ever seen, because there are not normal battles in this one. That's right, there's only 4 dragon battles. So there's just 4 rifts, and all 4 of the currently in-game dragon bosses are in here. We know the Ice Dragon Phanarok is going to be releasing soon in-game, but it is not in this rift. We just have the Fire Dragon Pyraxis, Shadow Dragon Ebon Flare, Physical Dragon Drakthir, and Astral Dragon Celestrax in this rift event. But I've already done the battle against the Fire Dragon Pyraxis. It was very easy. It was only at level 50, so I just one-shotted it with a water spell. And we have some insane rewards available here. So the first time reward on the Fire Dragon Pyraxis battle was the Baby Rex outfit, which I did get when battling it, so I'll look at that in just a minute. But the other rewards that we can see here, there are 3 others. Those are the ice cream boots, the dragon hat, and the catfish. So that's like really awesome. So first let's see the Baby Rex outfit, wherever that is. There it is, the Baby Rex outfit. I now have 2 of those. Wave your tiny arms and stomp your giant feet. This hat is members only if you spin it, but you can spin it as a non-member. But this has not been obtainable since just a year ago when it was removed from the Dino Dig store. So that's great to see it back again. Now we have the ice cream boots, which have not been obtainable since they were released in the very first Fire Rift during Summerfest. So those were a reward for defeating Shadow Dragon Ebon Flare in the very first Fire Rift. So it's great to see those obtainable again. The rest of its set probably isn't obtainable, but that is obtainable, so super cool. And then we have the dragon hat here, which was recently, or fairly recently, obtainable in the second Fire Rift, which included the Fire Dragon Pyraxis for the first time. So this was a reward there back in like September. And this was first in a member box in the May 2019 member box, and it had not been obtainable since then. Now it's been unobtainable for a few months now, and it's obtainable again, so that is awesome. If you do not have that one, you can spin it on the Lucky Loot, but if you do have it already, you're out of luck. You cannot get a second one, but you can get a second of the first time rewards, so that is really neat. Like we just got a second one of the Baby Rex outfit. But yeah, that is awesome. And I do wonder if there are more than 3 rewards. We'll just have to see, maybe on another account. We have the catfish here, which is really neat. It's a buddy, of course. It has not been obtainable since Treasure Track Season 9, so like since June. So it's been a little while, so that's awesome to have that here. It is, again, members only, but still really neat that you can get some of these rewards here. I'm thinking that the majority of these buddies are going, or not buddies, items are going to be members only, because it said in the first pop-up that members get awesome rewards, but you can spend all of these as a non-member still. But yeah, okay, so each dragon battle takes 1 rift key, and you do not get them back after you win, so you gotta go and collect more if you run out, but you can pretty easily go do that. So this is very, very cool. And again, I wonder if there's more than 3, because in the normal Dragon Isle, some of the other items do not appear on here because there can only be 3 shown, but then they're on the lucky loot somewhere. So I don't know. There's obviously not any more that I have that aren't obtainable, that I already have that are obtainable, because they did not appear on the lucky loot. So if there's any others, they're ones I already have, but I'm gonna have to find that out. There might be, or there might not be. That depends. The Shadow Dragon Ebon Flare battle has the Leo Dark Wand as its first time reward, so that's awesome. That was recently added in the Starlight Festival. It was Starlight Fest 2025. It was obtainable as a reward for defeating Sir Constello, and now here it is in this one. So I don't know how tough this battle is going to be. It could be at level 50, or it could be a lot higher. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put on Astral Pets just in case, and we have good Astral spells for my wizard. Let's find out, though, how easy this battle will be. Oh, it is at level 50. We can probably just one-shot this. Yep, we just one-shotted it. Very easy. It looks like maybe all these battles will be at level 50. That's going to be great. Very easy. Ooh, the Peaceful Moon Mask? Oh, let's go. I don't have that one. Peaceful Moon Mask. And the Color Block hoodie? Whoa. Okay. Wow, okay, thank you, Prodigy, for putting these 2 in there. So we got the Leo Dark Wand, Peaceful Moon Mask, and Color Block hoodie. It looks like those are the only 3. Nothing else is appearing on here. And they're appearing pretty commonly, so that's great. They're not like extremely rare like some of the lucky loots are. But we got the Leo Dark Wand. We got the first time reward. So I would have preferred to get one of the other 2, but that's perfectly fine. We don't have to get it. So, I mean, that's just awesome. Okay, so, and it looks like the other reward of those is the Dragon's Wing Wand, which I already have. So it does not show up on the lucky loot, but okay, I definitely need to get those 2. I'm not letting this rift go without getting the Peaceful Moon Mask and Color Block hoodie. So glad that those are obtainable again. Let's see, the Peaceful Moon Mask was recently actually released for the first time in special offers, in the special offers shop for like 585 magic coin back in late July 2025. So that was the first time that had been released in game, and I did not buy it when it was obtainable. Now I get to get it, so that's awesome. So we got a second Leo Dark Wand. It's a really good one. It has a power bonus of 220, spell Spike Strike. So yeah, that's great. I already said where it was last obtainable. The Peaceful Moon Mask was in special offers. And let's see, the Dragon's Wing, wherever that is in my backpack. I have no idea where it is. Let's go try to find it somewhere. But it is obtainable currently still in the Academy shop, as far as I know. For 440 Academy pages. Where is this thing? Is it one of those really good ones that you don't expect to be good. It is. It's one of those good ones with the power bonus of 211, spell a battery. So again, this is purchasable in the Academy shop. So you can get this without buying it if you want to, if you don't already have it. Pretty old wand, been in the game for a long time. So it's great to see this one here, even though it's not one that's unobtainable or was previously unobtainable. Still really cool. And then the color block hoodie, I don't have it, so I can't show it, but it was last obtainable in the May 2021 member box. So it has been several years since this one has been obtainable, almost 6 years at this point. So like 5.5 years since this one was obtainable. So that's great. And yeah, I'm gonna be getting that one for sure, no matter how many tries it takes. Okay, so I am back now with more rift keys. I just needed to get a few more. I got 3 now, so that's enough. So physical dragon, drag through your battle. I'm going to put on a good physical spell for it, just in case it's not at level 50. I'm going to put on something more. I'll put on the Mightworm's relic, or Force Drake's relic, just in case. But I kind of expect this to be at level 50. And its first time reward is the Baby Rex hood. So super, super cool. Maybe we'll get that one because we've been getting the first time rewards so far. So physical dragon Drakthir battle, anti-magic field. Non-physical spells have a chance to do 1 damage. Enemy hearts up, they get more hearts. And physical damage up, increased damage from physical spells. That's why we use physical on this one, because they do a lot of damage on Drakthir. So those are the buffs for this one. So let's go ahead and, begin the battle. It should not be too hard. I expect this to be at level 50, so maybe we'll just be able to one-shot it. We just have to see. But yeah, I wonder what rewards are obtainable on this one. We'll find out very soon. Yeah, the Baby Rex hood is there. But there's 3 others that are going to appear. We'll just have to see what those are. Oh, okay. So we start with the Grommy. And we just barely did not one-shot it with the Grommy. Well, no one-shot this time, but my wizard could have one-shotted it if we go first. Yeah, 6,000 damage. Alright, let's see if there's anything that we don't have on the lucky loot. Gold, there's gold. Ooh, the orange defender outfit. Okay, that's great. Orange defender outfit. And then the Baby Rex hood. Yep, there it is. Orange defender outfit. That's great. Okay. Yeah, the orange defender outfit is another one that's been unobtainable for a very long time. I do not have it, so it looks like that's it on this one that we do not have. And we spun the Baby Rex hood. We keep spinning the first time rewards and not any of the others, but I mean, at least it's not gold. I'm glad we're not getting gold. Ooh, okay, alright, so the Baby Rex hood and orange defender outfit we saw, but then there's also the cavern headpiece and the Baby Rex buddy. That's great. Alright, so, we have those 2. We just don't have the orange defender outfit, but I plan to definitely get that before this rift is up in 20 days. So, that was a very easy battle once again. Let's see on the rewards here. The Baby Rex hood, wherever that is in my backpack. Whoops, wrong one. Baby Rex hood. Now we have 2 of those. And just like the Baby Rex outfit, it was last obtainable in the Dino Dig store just a year ago when it was removed. So it's been unobtainable for a year now, and you can spend this on the lucky loot now for the next 20 days. So that's awesome. And we got 2 of those. So we got another one of them. And then let's see, we have the Cavern Headpiece, which was last seen in Crystal Caverns. So this is one of those Crystal Caverns items that has not been obtainable since Crystal Caverns was removed. So it's awesome to see that back again. Even if the rest of it's set, Cavern Overcoat and Icicle are not obtainable, it's still great to see. And then the Baby Rex Buddy. This one is not like the rest of its set. This buddy has not been obtainable since it was removed from parent reward boxes back in July 2023. So it's been over around 2.5 years since this one has been obtainable. So that is awesome. Perfect. Like, if you do not have this one, definitely you can get this and spin it. So that's awesome. It's got a power bonus of 40. So really neat there. That's awesome. And then lastly, the Orange Defender outfit that I cannot show, but it has not been obtainable since the May 2020 member box. So it's been almost 6 years, again, since this one has been obtainable. Just like the Color Block hoodie. So the Color Block hoodie was almost 5 years ago. So it's been almost 6 years since the Orange Defender outfit was obtainable. And we're going to finally get this. And you can finally get it again here. So that is just perfect. So the Astral Dragon Celestrax battle, its first time reward says it's the mini Dragon Isle mount, which is, perfect to be obtainable in the Dragon Isle. That's awesome. So it only shields 1 hit each round, so that's good. It's not like 3 or something. I put on multi-hit spells just in case. This one I doubt we'll probably be able to one-shot, but maybe if we put on a good wand with Shadow, we'll just have to see if when we go do this battle again sometime. But we 100% hit with our spells, and Astral spells do less damage by 25%. So those are the those are the normal buffs associated with this battle in the Dragon Isle. So this is usually the hardest one in the Dragon Isle, hardest dragon battle, but I don't think it'll be too hard at level 50. Let's just see. Alright, yeah, 2,816 hearts. Okay, not enough damage, but still pretty good. Let's see if we can take it out with River Crater. And, ooh, just 31 hearts left. So close. Why? Okay, so one last hit to do with Brennan. We use Searing Strike 3. Very easy battle, just not a one-shot. Maybe we can with a good multi-hit shadow spell. We'll just have to see on that. But that's the final dragon battle done. Let's just find out its rewards now. Okay, ooh, the Mystic Staff. Perfect. I do not have that one. And then we have the Mini Dragon Isle mount. So perfect. Mini Dragon Isle. That is one we do have. It's the first time reward. We might land on it since it is the first time reward, but I do need that Mystic Staff. I will be getting that one before this rift ends. That's super cool. I wonder what the other 2 rewards are on this one. We'll see. And yep, we did get the Mini Dragon Isle again. So we got all 4 of the first time rewards on the first spin. At least we did not get any gold. But yeah, ooh, okay. Whoa. Okay, so the other 2 rewards on here that we do have are the Invisibility Cloak and the Phantom Snake. So that's awesome. Okay, so I mean, yeah. I was not expecting to see those. I really do wonder if there's more than 3 rewards on here. I'll just have to see if I can find it on a different account that doesn't have these rewards, so I can see if they spin on the lucky loot, or maybe some other YouTuber will find other rewards and we'll know from that. But I cannot see any other rewards, because I guess I either have them or there are no other. Either one works. So now we have 2 of the mini Dragon Isle mounts. This has not been obtainable, well, this was a pretty new mount. It was released in Treasure Track Season 11 back in August, so it has not been obtainable since October, and I'm glad to see this finally in the Dragon Isle. It was only in the Treasure Track. So, and it's got good bonuses. It's got heart bonus 60, power bonuses 60, and a defense bonus of 110. Let's see, outfit wise, the invisibility cloak is just like the dragon's wing in the fact that it's purchasable in the Academy shop. So it costs 800 Academy pages. So this is a super cool, very unique outfit, always has been. It's legendary, so I mean it's awesome. But it is one that's currently obtainable, can be purchased in the Academy shop, unless that has changed recently, which I highly doubt it has. So super cool. If you don't already have this one, you can spin it instead of having to buy it, so that's great. And then the Phantom Snake, this is a buddy that has not been obtainable since Treasure Track Season 6, Shadow Realm, back in October 2024. So it's been a while, and this one was for Plus members only during that Treasure Track season. Now it can be spun by members, so that's great. This is a really good one, power bonus of 50, and it is a legendary too. So this has not been obtainable for quite a while now, and it's great to see this buddy back again. I really like the design of this one. It's super, super cool. So it's been a little bit since it's been obtainable, but that is great. And then lastly, the Mystic Staff, which is the wand I do not have. Wow. Okay, this wand has not been obtainable, the Mystic Staff, since the March 2019 member box. 2019. It has been nearly 7 years since this wand has been obtainable. Jeez. And we can finally get this one again. Wow. Well, we completed the Dragon Isle Golden Rift. We just don't have all the rewards yet, but I will be getting them all before the Rift ends. So what are your thoughts on this awesome new Golden Rift that has been added to Prodigy? Have you completed it yet? Let me know all of your thoughts in the comments.